Okay, it's April 27, year 2009. We're here at GMA Studio 7. We're doing initial trial show of Power of 10, hosted by Jano Gibbs. And we are testing our homemade keyboard controller. Homemade, let me show you our project with Joe the Mango. Okay, I'll show you our project here. This is our first prototype. We have three versions. We have produced three versions. This is the first version. Okay, we design. It's locally designed circuitry, and this is designed by looks original. No, that's designed by Joe. There's Joe. Nice, no? This looks like professionally made. Power of 10. You can attach up to four. There's a 4 hub. Each hub you can attach up to 100 keyboard. So theoretically you can attach up to 400 keyboard. Okay. So then you attach a 4 keyboard. 4 there. Actually, what we did, we attach how many keyboard? 40. 30, 30, okay? Because in the show there's a 3 groups. The center group, that's a 40 seats, 40 audience, and the left is a 30 audience, and the right side is another 30. So that's all. That's total about 100 keyboard. Okay. There. Then we constructed our second version. This is a second version, the smaller unit, more compact. Also designed by Joe. There's same. You can attach 4 hub. You can attach a 4 set of keyboard, and what's our next version? This is our final version. We have improved it. We have add additional LCD display, so you can see the status of the keyboard. Okay, with add some buttons there. You can see 4 hubs and 1 for RS-232, and this is power supply. There, power supply, 12 volts power supply. This RS-232 goes to the server, and this is the 4 keyboard hub. Okay. There. This our keyboard controller will attach directly to the host server of the game show. There, let me show the game show. Let me show you their server. Okay, that's the server. There's the server. This is a control center for the game show. Okay. Attached to their server. That's their server. Look at the wiring. So many wiring. Okay. By the way, our keyboard host controller communicate to the server through RS-232 interface using a 80 command set. Okay, it's a single command. 80 ampersand 1 will read the whole 100 keypad. Okay, that's about it.
Si Rain ay nakalaki sa 88% at si Chopper naman ay 85%. 5% lang at 3% lang ang pagitan nila. Pag nakuha ni Chopper ito, siya na, maglalaro. Kung hindi naman, papantay si Rain at maglalaro pa tayo ng isa pang tanong. Tignan natin ang sinabi ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
0 to 100. Cast your votes.
Bumoto na kayo ngayon.
Yan, ganun. Dapat mag-ilaw na steady yung red. Ibig sabihin nakaboto na kayo ng tama. Okay na? Sige. Can we read the keypads na?
Mamaya pa naman yan.
Stop.
Oo, mo.
Okay.
Sure, bro. There's a drop, yeah.
Ayan yung binote na lumabas na sa screen. Pinakamarami nag-vote, 90.
Okay.
Okay, working. Thank you.
Nag-peak siya sa 90 talaga.